course, and we are underway, and just like that, it will be Willpower who will take the lead. Davey, as he makes the big swing and the tight swing into turn number one.
Everybody's behaving right as of right now. Nobody touching. Jordan Cannon made up a couple positions already going into turn 2 and turn 3. Actually 3 behind Danica right now.
But just like that, we've got a car off track.
Santos dominaram em quinto atrás de Luís Pedro Martins e Tiago Ribeiro. Luís Pedro Martins e Tiago Ribeiro e venceram a taça de Portugal.
Hi again, it's me on another day off. Today I came down to Clearwater Beach to hang out a little bit, shot some footage. We'll try to put it on the video here and let y'all see a little bit of it. I'll keep you posted. Hi, I'm still here at Clearwater Beach. Just enjoying the sun and the sand a little bit. Thought I'd film a little for you. Hope y'all enjoy it. Oh, sirens. Something must be happening on the beach.